Alright everyone, this is just going to be a quick video. Lightning strike versus non-lightning strike, okay? Go over here and look at this lightning strike one. Come on. Okay, lightning strike. Now see how there was a flashlight even in the daytime? You could see the camera saw a flash of light. Now watch, here, nighttime. See how when there's a lightning strike, the whole sky flashes and lights up? It will even happen in daytime too. And not only that, when lightning strikes something, stuff explodes in all directions. Doesn't explode in one direction. One direction, that's funny. See how the camera, how it lit up? So you see how the camera, so if it was lightning to hit the stones, which it wasn't, see how lightning causes everything to flash and light up? Alright? That's what lightning strikes do. See, they cause a flash. The whole area lights up. Not just one small particular point. Alright? So, get out of this. Go over here to this. Because anyone who thinks that this was lightning is pushing a false narrative. Oh, come on. You gotta be kidding me. Sorry about the ads. Unreal. So here we go. If you watch this and you really pay attention, there's no lightning flash. There's no flash from a lightning bolt. And if you ever shot a high-powered rifle into concrete blocks, you know that there'll be a small projectile that comes back towards you, but the rest will all shoot back away, you know? Exactly what happens here. You know, watch. It's not a lightning bolt. It was a projected weapon of some type. There's no lightning. The whole sky ain't lit up. And all of it projects out this way, except for a small bit that comes back that way. Anyone who ever has shot a high-powered rifle at concrete blocks knows that's what happens. See how everything was all in one flat out? If that got hit by lightning, it would have been all over, and lightning wouldn't have done that. Go watch lightning strikes, people. All right. Peace, love, joy, kindness.